In today's video, we will learn about sum of arithmetic progression. We know the formula of sum of arithmetic progression as Sn is equals to n by 2 of 2a plus n minus 1 into d. But whenever the conditions are different, we need to take the formula also different. When natural numbers are given, sum of terms is equals to n into n plus 1 by 2. Like this, the conditions will be. So, in this video, few problems are collected of different conditions and we will solve that now. First problem is, if the sum of the first n terms of an AP is 4n minus n square, what is the first term? What is the sum of first two terms? What is second term? Similarly, find third term. We have to keep the general formula, but here the condition is like Sn is equals to a plus 2, a plus 3, sorry, not a plus 3, that is a1 plus a2 plus a3 plus a4. That means terms of the progression. Till an, it has to be added. They have given that sum of first n terms of an AP is 4n minus n square. That means that they are telling that Sn value is 4n minus n square. So, instead of n, if I put 1, I will get S1. Instead of n, if I take 2, that gives us S2. Like that we have to think of. So S1 I have to be calculated as substituting n with 1. 4 into 1 minus 1 square is 4 minus 1, that is 3. S1 means A1. A1 means first term. So A is equals to 3. S2 is 4 into 2 minus 2 square, 8 minus 4, that is 4. Sum of first two terms that we will get. That means A1 plus A2 value is S2. So, 4 we know as S2 and A1 we know as 3. So, 4 is equals to 3 plus A2. That means A2 value is 4 minus 3. That is 1. That means that second term A2 is 1. Like that way S3 is S2 plus A3. S4 is S3 plus A4. Like that we have to think of. S3 if calculated 4 into 3 minus 3 square. So 12 minus 9 is 3. That is 4 plus A3. So A3 equals to 3 minus 4. That is minus 1. Here it is need to be concentrated on Sn is equals to A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4 up to An. Let us go to other problem. Find the first 40 positive integers divisible by 8. Here, first 40 positive integers means that first number is 8, next number is 16, like that way, till 40 terms, not up to 40. Till 40 terms, n value they have given. N value is 40 here. So, till 40 we have to find out which are divisible by 8. So, 8 plus 16 plus 24 up to 40 terms. That means that 8, if 8 is taken outside, I will get the summation as natural numbers 1. So, 8 into 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to 40. So, 8 into 40 plus 1 by 2. That means summation of natural numbers is n into n plus 1 by 2. That one I can take it here. 8 into 40 plus 1 by 2. That means if I calculated, it will be 160 into 41. That means 6560. This is one of the method. I can take it down. In another way also, the same problem can be solved. How is it? A value is 8, D value is 8, N value is 40. So, in the normal form, in the normal general form of Sn equals to n by 2 of 2a plus n minus 1 into d, I can substitute it. So 40 by 2 into 2 into 8 plus 40 minus 1 into 8, 39 into 8 it will be, that is 312. When 2 is taken for common factor, 20 will be 40. So 20 into 16 plus 312, 20 into 328, that is 6560. Here any one method I can take which is convenient for me. So always keep in the mind, there is no only one way to solve the arithmetic progression problems. If we think of the different way, it is possible to solve. So which is convenient for you, you can follow it up. Let us go to third problem. It is bit different than the second one. In the second one, they have given first 40 terms. But in the third problem, check here. Find the sum of numbers divisible by 6 or multiples of 6. Also they can ask. But they are asking the numbers in between 100 and 200. We don't know which is the first one and which is the last one, and value of n we don't know here. In the second problem we are knowing n value as 40, but in this problem we don't know n. We know it should be in between 100 and 200, which are divisible by 6. So we will check the first. For the first number, 100 is not divisible by 6, 101 not divisible by 6, but 102 is divisible by 6. For first term we will get as 100. And common difference is of course 6, because whenever they will ask for the multiple or divisible by word, the count, we have to take the common difference as given number. Here 6 they are asking for. So 6 is the common difference. And last term we can search it here, because up to 200 I have to take. So I will search for the last term. 200 is not divisible by 6. I should move backward. 199. No, it is also not divisible by 6. 198 is divisible by 6. Because 8 plus 1 is 9, 9 plus 9 is 18. 18 is divisible by 3 and it is also an even number. So with the divisibility rules, I can get 198 as divisible by 6. Even for 102, the same procedure I have followed. I have used the divisibility testers. Is it divisible by 2 and 3 I have checked. At that moment I got, yes, it's both divisible by 2 and 3. So the number is divisible by 6. So we don't know n and we don't know Sn. But here I got the opportunity of finding the last term. Sn formula is Sn is equals to n by 2 into a plus an. An is last term. But without knowing the n, I can't find the summation. So to find the n, I have to substitute the last term in the general form of arithmetic progression terms. So an is equals to a plus n minus 1 of d I have used. 198 equals to 102 into n minus 1 of 6. So on simplifying, 102 plus 6n minus 6 is 198. It implies that 102 plus minus 6 is 96. This 96 should be transposed to other side. 6n equals to 198 minus 96. So n is equals to 198 minus 96 is 102. 102 by 6 I will get. N value I will get as 17. N value we get as 17. So now it is substituted in the formula. Sn is equals to n by 2 into a plus an. So Sn is equals to 17 by 2 into 102 plus 198. 102 plus 198 is 300. With the 2 I can get the common factor. 17 into 150 is 2550. This is sum of multiples of 6 between 100 and 200. Like this way, one more problem we will check now. If the sum of first 7 terms of AP is 49 and that of terms is 17 terms is 289, find the sum of first 10 terms. They have given S7 value as 49, S17 value as 289, S10 they are asking for. Here we will make use of the formula Sn is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 of d. So 49 we know, S value of n we know, but we don't know the value of a and d. Here n value is 17 and S17 is 289, but we don't know a and d. So I will substitute in the formula to get to the equation of a and d. S7 is 7 by 2 into 2a plus 6d. So on 49 with 7 by 2. 7 by 2 is multiplied 1. So when it is transposed, it will be divided 1. Dividing means taking the reciprocal and multiplying. So 49 into 2 by 7 we will get 7 ones are 7 sevens are 2a plus 6d. Here 2 I can take as common. The commonly taken 2 will be transposed to other side. So 7 into 2 divided by 2 it will happen. So a plus 3d equals to 7 as equation 1 I have got it. S17 also substituted like that. 17 by 2 into 2a plus 16d. 2a plus 16d means that 289 into 2 by 17. So 17 ones are 17, 17 so it can be cancelled out. 289 is a perfect square, so no need of searching with. 17 by 17 it can be taken out for common factor. This 2a plus 16d can be taken 2 common outside. So a plus 8d I will get. This 2 once again transpose it to other side. 17 into 2 divided by 2, 2 get cancels. So a plus 8d equals to 17 as I will get the equation. Now 2 equations I got for a and d. A plus 3d equals to 7 and a plus 8d equals to 17. So what both equations should be solved out. On cancelling by subtracting, a minus a get cancels. 3d minus 8d minus 5d. On the right hand side, 7 minus 17 that is minus 10. So minus 5d equals to minus 10. When calculated for d, minus 10 by minus 5 is plus 2. This d value is substituted in one of the equation. A plus 3d equals to 7. When substituted, a plus 3 into 2 is equals to 7. 3 2 is 6. So a equals to 7 minus 6. That is 1. A value we got as 1. D value we got as 2. This need to be substituted to find out S10. S10 is equals to 10 by 2 into 2 into 1 plus 10 minus 1 of 2. So 2 ones are 2, 10 minus 1 is 9, 9 twos are 18. Here 2 and 10 get cancelled out, 2 ones are 2 fives are, so 5 into 2 plus 18, that is 20. 20 into 5 is 100. S10 value we get as 100. Make use of the proper formulas, whichever is required, and solve the sum of arithmetic progression terms easily.